In this video, I am going to show you how to make cool amount of money just with your smartphone and an application called Telegram. And all you basically have to do is follow the steps that I'm about to show you in this video. Now, what is the essence of making money on an application and you cannot withdraw? And that is why before I go into the details of this platform, the first thing I want to do is to place a live withdrawal and show you if this platform truly pays or not and if you should go into it. Now let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is to open up your Telegram application, or you download your Telegram app from Play Store or App Store. I'm going to drop the link of this site in the video. So for registration, all you basically have to do is to check the comment section. I'll pin my comments there, putting the registration link, or you can check the description box of this YouTube video. Then you copy the link and then you open it up in your browser. It will now redirect you into your Telegram. Now this platform is called Sui Bison. So all you basically have to do is once you click on the link, it is going to take you to the registration page and you don't even have to fill any details. All you just have to do is to start the bot and you are going to be taken to this page. Now, as you can see on my screen here, I have about $82. That is about 26 SUI. But I am going to withdraw it in this video and show you if the withdrawal arrives or not. Because now let me show you the wallet I'll be withdrawing to. To withdraw on this platform, you need to have an SUI wallet, which you can download from your Play Store or your App Store, or you can use your Trust Wallet. As for me, I use my SUI wallet, but you're going to see me opening my Wave. The reason why is because I imported my SUI wallet to this my Wave. So it doesn't matter if I'm receiving it into this Wave or receiving it into that wallet. It is going to the same place. All I basically have to do is to import my seed or secret phrase. So you can also withdraw your own into this Wave wallet, or you can just go ahead and use the normal SUI wallet or Trust Wallet from your Play Store or your App Store. All right, this is my page here, and as you can see, this is my Wave wallet. Now you can see currently I have 121 SUI, and I want to deposit more of the SUI again. So all I basically have to do is to click on this deposit here, copy my deposit address, and then exit from this page and go back into my SUI Bison. And as you can see, this is my SUI Bison here. So the next thing now is to click on withdraw the 26 SUI, paste in my wallet address and click on the withdraw button and wait for the withdrawal to arrive. As you can see, this counter is counting down, so all I basically have to do is to watch. All right, you now see I got this withdrawal successful message. This means that my withdrawal is now successful. And if I tap to exit from this page, let me now go back into that my wallet and show you if my withdrawal arrived or not. Now on the SUI page, you can see that they told me my withdrawal of 15 SUI was successful, and initially I withdraw 1.5 SUI. Now what I withdraw was about 26 SUI, but what they are sending me is 15 SUI. This is because they don't give you all your withdrawal at once. They give you just 60% of your withdrawal. If you want to calculate it, just divide 60 by 100, it will give you 0.6. Then whatever you have on your balance that you want to withdraw, you times it by 0.6 and you get the amount they will be sending to you. So this is 60% of 26 SUI. Now on the remaining 40%, 10% is going into the global matrix pool, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to explain that along the way, but let me go and check my wallet if my withdrawal has arrived. All right, so this is my Wave wallet here, and as you can see, if I scroll up, you can now see from 126 up 121 SUI, I can now see it has increased to 136 SUI, showing that withdrawal is working on this platform and the withdrawal is very fast. Now let's get into the details of this site and how you yourself can start making money from this platform. This is my SUI Bison page, and just as I was explaining earlier, whenever you place a withdrawal on this platform, only 60% of your withdrawal is sent to you. About 20% is deposited into this your stake balance, and it is this your stake balance that you used to earn. As you can see, I have 50 SUI now, and that my 50 SUI is worth about 158 USDT. And for those of you that might want to ask, no, you cannot withdraw this one. This is what is generating your income for you here that you now withdraw at the end of the day. And the amount of income you earn per day is 4%. So tomorrow I'm going to be earning 4% of this my 50 SUI. Do the maths. 4 divided by 100, then you times it by whatever you have here, and you know the amount you're going to be earning daily from this platform. So that is basically how it goes. Now, I think about 10 or 20% is what is deposited here. Some percentage is now deposited into this place. This is the native token of this SUI Bison. So if this SUI Bison gets to get listed, this is the amount of token that is going to be deposited to you. So we don't know the listing price yet or what is going to be listed now, but basically this has its own native token also, and some percentage is deposited here to give you this native token. While the remaining percentage is deposited into this your GMP, that is global matrix pool. So it is deposited here into this global matrix pool. And for you to be able to get money from this global matrix pool, you have to refer. So when you refer someone and the person deposits any amount of SUI at all, you get a share. And every week they distribute these shares to those that are holding shares. As you can see, Zimanski is participating in this update and he currently has 43 shares. This one has 38, and here is me here. I have just 5 shares. So some percentage is deposited into this global matrix pool. The network is slow here, so it's not loading. If not, you will have seen the balance. And that is basically how the platform works. Now, if I go back into this, my home page, for you to start earning, all you basically have to do is to just register on this platform. You click on this deposit button here. Once it opens up, you now deposit a minimum of 1 SUI plus 0.01 for gas fee. So once you deposit 1 SUI, your earnings starts automatically. But you have to first of all click this initialize stake. And if you click on it, don't worry if you see any error message, just deposit and click on it. If you want to earn massively, especially if you don't have referral, I'm going to advise you honestly that you deposit $50 worth of SUI. SUI is cheap now. It is very low. It was initially $5, but now it has crashed to as low as $3. So go to an exchange, go to Bybit or Bitget, purchase your SUI. But if you don't know how to operate those exchanges, or you don't know how to buy from there, you don't want to buy from there, you can get from any trusted vendor of your choice. And as such, I myself, I am selling. And to get in contact with me, you have to use the link in the description box or the comment section of this video to join my Telegram channel. After joining, just check the pinned post inside the Telegram. You are going to see my WhatsApp number there where you can message me directly and state that you want to purchase SUI, and you will be responded to. Basically simple and easy and straightforward as that. Now you just have to deposit here, and once you deposit, your amount is going to be staked and you start earning. So when you join initially, you'll be earning at 1% rate. After about 3 to 5 days, your earnings will increase to 1.5, and then it will keep increasing until it gets to 4%. 4% is the maximum you can earn daily on this platform. And as you can see, I have 90 days left. So at the end of these 90 days, my earnings will end, and if I want to earn again, I'll have to restake again. So that is basically how this platform works. Also, there are a lot of other benefits like referral. If you refer people, you get benefits. Just like the first one I told you, if you refer, you get shares, and at the end of every week, they distribute these shares to the shareholders. Aside that, again, when you refer people, you get some certain percentage of the amount they deposit. Yes, and that is basically how it works. But for those of you that can't refer, like I have advised, deposit at least $50 worth of SUI. Either way, if you deposit 1 SUI, you will still earn. The only thing is that your earnings will be low, and it's a common knowledge. You deposit small, you earn small. You deposit big, you earn big. I have a lot of people depositing about $200, $300. So that is just basically how the platform works. You want to earn big, you deposit big. You want to earn small, you deposit small. And this is the honest review about this SUI Bison. Also, there are also some other ways you can earn on this platform. You can be receiving weekly salary. If I scroll up, as you can see on my screen here, my weekly salary is normally it is $25. So don't mind this $23 that is showing here. It's $25 they pay every week, and that $25 is about 7.3 SUI now. So every week they pay you salary, but they don't just pay you like that. They pay depending on your rank. So there are different ranks on this, and the lowest rank is leader, and that is the rank I am currently on. Let me show you if it will show here. So the rank I am currently on is leader, and for you to get to this rank, your total team deposit, look at my team volume now, is about $2,795, but your total team volume has to get to $1,000. Once you get to $1,000, and then this your balance here is $50. Once you have achieved those two, automatically you will start receiving weekly salary of $25. Whether you earn on this platform or not, they'll be paying you every week. And you can see I'm in leader. So there are also other ranks. There's a higher rank whereby they pay you $100, 200, and it keeps going up. I don't know where I kept that list. If not, I'll show you in this video. But this is just the basics of this platform, and I do drop updates on it every day on my WhatsApp and Telegram channel. So if you're not on my group, I assure you, you are missing a lot. Now, if you have any issues or you have any complaints, you can always use this support portal here. Can use the support portal to create a ticket and message the admins directly, and they will respond to any issues at all that you have. As you can see, I have one pending issues with them and it's still pending. So maybe they'll respond to it between today and tomorrow. That's basically how to go about this platform. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload a new video. And with the link in the description box of this video, join my Telegram channel.